Welcome to Mahatma Gandhi University, located in the picturesque landscape of Meghalaya. Our interesting range of programs provides an opportunity to choose the knowledge and skills as per the need. We have state-of-art infrastructure with fully Wi-Fi campus. The campus provides smart classrooms, well-furnished hostels, digital library, and fully equipped labs. Students have access to large acre sports complex, fully equipped gym, and music and culture center.
We also provides various scholarship to students. Admission open now. Just walk into the campus or give a call.
Menteri Rangba ke Sarkar Jilla Konrad Konggal Sangma menta ke sengi uloong ba ke jingbate kam thamai ya ki kattu katni ki menteri ke badan hak Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hakini ki khindiat sengi kalong hadin bala bishar ke jingdon kam bare ke jinglong jingman hak Jilla ban penbha susu ya ke jingtre kam jongkini ki tenan la ban kado bana kaliang ke Sarkar Jilla hakini ki khindiat sengi kalabate kam thamai ya ki saungut ki menteri na ka parti NPP ki ba kenthum yo ba Preston Tensong labati ya katanat boarding yo James PK Sangma labati ya katanat ka koi ke khia yo ba sngyaw bhalang dhar ya katanat jungwa kai perthei bar yo ba dasakhet bha lamare ya katanat transport Henry hakabayde bakatanat kampo ying ka baw menteri ula terwa ban ino ka sarkar ka khlam perlait satya yo ba lakman rembui na kani katanan Menteri Rangba ka Jilla loong bahadin bala bishar bnia ya baro ki jinglong jingman ha ka Jilla bar ka jingdon kam bandon ka jingtre bha ha ki kattu katni kitnat kumta ula shem ya karai ban bati ki kattu katni kitnat haprang ki kattu katni ngut ki menteri ulo ongru baki don na kitnat ki badon kam mi ka jing penthamai khnam bakan don ka jing pentrei ka ba khambha henrei hakabay dei bakatnat kam poying kadai katnat ka bakhia bat ka badon kam bo menteri undang peteng bat ban but din khnang ban pene ya kasuk kasain haka
looked at the entire situation in the state. I've looked at all the aspects, and based on the overall situation in the particular sector, particular department, and the government as a whole, I have taken the decision with the point in view that number one, that there should be overall improvement in the delivery mechanism of each department, and at the same time to ensure that certain critical departments like Home Department all require the continuity also in it, and also require a lot of focus in what is being done, and therefore keeping that in mind, the way the police department has been working is something very challenging, but yet they have been able to perform positively to a large extent, and therefore I felt that the continuity is important to ensure that we are able to contain and the law and order situation and minimize any kind of unforeseen situation.
So my